At Instrovate Technologies, a Microsoft Gold partner, we offer a data analytics training plus internship program designed to launch your career in data analytics with confidence and expertise. Our program features live, interactive sessions led by female Microsoft certified trainers. These experts provide personalized guidance tailored to your background and needs. You'll master essential skills, engage in practical projects, and receive support to build a standout resume. Plus, you'll participate in mock interviews with top industry experts. The program ensures a comprehensive learning experience, combining theoretical knowledge with hands-on practice. You'll gain valuable insights and skills that are crucial in the data analytics field, preparing you for real-world challenges. The program spans 4 months, with an option to extend to 6 months, allowing you to learn at your own pace. It's affordably priced at $500, with easy installment options of $125 per month, making it accessible to everyone. The first 100 enrollments receive free internship projects, providing real-world experience to enhance your learning. Interested? Contact us for a free demo walkthrough and take the first step toward your data analytics journey today.